Well, it's the middle of the week and I'm missing my salads. So this is for a few of my viewers who have been teasing me a little bit about kale. So this is kale. I just picked it up today and I just ate a stalk of it. Oh, it was better than I remembered. So I'm probably going to make a kale endive salad.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Now I was thinking to myself that if I was a bug, a little bug, I wouldn't mind to have a kale sandwich bed. See how cool that is? Opens up like a little monster. You could think of this as a spider, octopus, except for this is green. Anyway, this is the best salad. This is my favorite salad. It's a little bitter. It's just what I like. I got this one for a couple bucks at Stater Brothers, our local grocery store. It was well worth it. Now the kale costs a lot more money than that. I used to eat this all the time. My wife Linda was reminding me I would eat the kale first next to my meat and potatoes and whatever the heck I was eating back before I was vegan. And as soon as I became vegan, weird, I stopped eating it. And it's like I forgot how delicious it was. And they say that this is some of the best leaves you can get. It's like the top of the food chain of all the leaves, all the salad leaves, for giving you the nutrition and the vitamins and all the protection. Alright, so let's get started. Now this is not a mamsy-pamsy salad. That means this is not going to be one of the salads with a plate this big. This is actually for the dog. And just like 4 or 5 leaves and say, voila, I've eaten my salad today. No, we're not going to do it that way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that really good looking leaf. Here it is. So we're going to take this leaf. I even like the stem, so I'm going to cut the stem like that. And before I stick it in this nice clean bowl, I probably should wash it. One of the key things you need to do as a vegan is get yourself a decent salad spinner. This is from Good Cook. I think we bought it at a store called Ross. Some of you might know what that is. It's a discount store. Okay, so you take your kale and you break it up in bite size. Unless you're a monster, you're going to need to be able to cut this up. Okay, so if you cut it now before it's all clean, just easier to get a hold of. You can cut it up with scissors. I mean, I've done that before. You've seen me do that before. But there's no real need this time. This is just for me. Linda isn't going to have any salad. She had some minestrone soup. So she's doing fine. The next part, so just take the outer leaves of the endive and we're going to chop those up in a minute. You have to make sure you have enough. And you see there's a lot left. There's like maybe for 3-4 giant salads. Now tonight's going to be basically a simple salad. Nothing fancy. Okay, so now what you do is you take your leaves and you can put them all together if you want to. You can do a cutting board. You can use your hands like this. Now I like the stems, but some people don't like them. They're kind of bitter. So don't eat them if you don't like them, but I do. So I'm going to show you this salad. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to wash this. We're going to put this in the sink. What are these? Well, some of you probably know what these are. These are not tomatoes. These are radishes. And of course, they didn't come from my garden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to nip up 3 of them like that and just drop them in. And then keep this sealed. If you take the green off, it actually lasts a little longer, but it's not even going to last that long for me, so it's not going to make any difference. What I mean by that is that I'm going to eat it way before the green gets damaged. Alright, so we're going to put a spray on, and you should use cold water. You're not trying to cook it. Right? So what we're doing, we're filling this plastic container, you see it right here, and we're basically soaking the salad. And this is pristine salad, so there won't be much debris on the bottom. See? Broke my tripod the other day, so I've got a new video of that on how to fix that. That'll be coming out soon. Alright, so now this is a spinner, so what you do, use this lid, very easy to adjust. Put the nose right over here into the nose of this plastic piece. Hold it down like this. And a lot of people do this because salad dressing and water doesn't exactly mix. Alright, so now we got this done. We're going to move it to the big bowl. Okay, so next, I can already see there's way too much salad in here. So I'm just going to adjust it for me. And maybe be quiet so we can speed through this. and that way you'll understand what I'm doing. Okay, mostly kale. This is from Sam's Club, and these are small little tomatoes. Look at that, just how easy it is. So you just grab a handful, and you can pour it on top. These are already clean. I'm going to slice up the radishes using one of my knives. Take the ends off. There's some people eat them, and I like these. They're nice and peppery, and they taste really good, and I've had them all my life. My mother introduced them to me in Canada, and I have always eaten these. Lucky for us here in the United States that we can get radishes, even in the winter time, which I know right now in Canada it is not radish time. We'll just knock this off here like this. We'll put this in. Okay, so we're going to cheat again on the salad dressing. Now normally when I make this salad, especially with the endive, I use oil and vinegar, black pepper and salt. Today I'm just going to use this Virginia brand onion vinaigrette dressing, marinade, veggie dip. Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to pour it over the top of it. The ingredients on the back are 2 tablespoons, 110 calories, 7 grams of sugar. That's outrageous, but you know, you have to try different things out, and so this time I'm using this. Okay, so that's basically the salad. This is going to be a delicious endive. Okay, that's an endive. I want to show that I'm eating this kale right here. Watch this. All my friends who are saying that I'm not eating enough kale. Oh, it's magnificent. All you vegans and non-vegan need to go to the store, make yourself a delicious endive salad. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.